what's up? It's Kat and Deb from Two Market Girls. Welcome back to another video, to another cookbook review.
Yeah. Wasn't really planning this cookbook, but I got it in the mail from Penguin Random House. So why not?
Yeah.
Thank you for sending it to us, by the way. It is called Vegan Comfort Cooking, and it's by Jean-Philippe. I'm not going to pronounce his last name because I know I'll pronounce it wrong. But I think he's the Buddhist Chef on Instagram
Socials.
and his blog and all that kind of stuff. I think this is his second cookbook.
Yeah.
I haven't tried his first, but I've been hearing some great things about it.
And so there's so many good recipes in there, like just flipping through it quickly. Oh my goodness.
And I'm gonna be honest, the photos are very different than anything I'm used to in cookbook photography. They're just so, like, the style of them is so different, but it's very fun.
Yeah.
They're like, there's a lot of hard light. He uses a lot of, like, irregular looking plates and things like that, and it's so fun.
Okay. Well, what are we making?
Oh, right. Sorry. We're making a soup for sure. I just want to get the appropriate name.
Catherine has to make a soup, okay?
It's in my contract.
What
We're gonna
contract?
make this easy.
I didn't sign that.
We're gonna make this easy tofu noodle soup. I think it's supposed to be a play on a chicken noodle.
Oh.
That's what he mentions in the little copy, that it's like his mom's chicken noodle soup was inspo for it. Then we're also gonna do, it's like rigatoni bolognese. Yeah, here, bolognese rigatoni.
Close. You were so close.
And then we're gonna make coconut cookies.
Because there definitely has to be soup and there has to be cookies. That's how we review cookbooks.
Exactly. So these coconut cookies as well.
Mm.
Yeah. But yeah, so we're gonna make them. I'm very excited to try it because it has got comfort in the name.
We like comfort.
Those are the types of recipes I
And
enjoy.
we like food.
Yeah.
Okay, so we decided we're probably gonna divide and conquer.
Yes.
One do the soup, one do the pasta, and then cookies for
Together.
dessert. We'll do that together.
Look at his dog.
Oh, so cute. Okay, should we get cooking so that we can get eating?
Yeah.
All right, you mise that place.
Oh, I'm on it. So, which would you rather do, soup or pasta?
I don't know. Soup is like your thing.
I'll do the soup then.
Okay.
I'm down for the soup. So I will do that. Let's see what this one takes, it says it takes about 35 minutes. Prep time 15, cook time 20. It serves 6. I'll probably cut it in half.
Okay, good luck.
And then yours takes
3 minutes. Open for 3 minutes. Open for 3.
Oh.
Fingers crossed for 3 minutes.
40 something, 55.
No!
But that's fine. I think that's fine. I think we can probably cut down on the cook time. It's probably like cooking the sauce down and stuff. But yeah.
Okay, there we go. Waving my knife at you.
We're cutting both of these recipes in half. So again, if they get messed up, it's probably our fault.
Although, like, with cutting savory ones,
It's not as
you think
bad.
it'd be
Yeah.
okay.
I think we should be okay.
Maybe I shouldn't have said that.
You jinxed it.
I definitely just jinxed it. This onion is undressed.
Oh, scandalous.
I'm in pain.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Sorry.
Why did I pick this recipe? I did this to myself.
Well, I don't need to prep anything else? Wow.
Why did I do this?
I'm gonna go see if my parents have frozen vegetables.
Listen, sometimes the onion chopping isn't my best chopping because I'm in so much pain. I just want it to end! Wow. Whew. That's ripe. I'm crying. Catherine, I'm crying. Come back. Now just the garlic. Yowza. I'm telling them. Because you know what? It's my recipe that we're falling behind on because we can't find...
I'm helping you.
Thank you. Thank you. I need to puree the red peppers, the roasted red peppers, and I'm just going to do it in the food processor, except we can't find the food processor, and why does this keep happening every video? I don't think it's you. I think there's a curse.
I mean, they'll know by this point. I'm moving. Everything's a mess.
I think I see it.
Actually?
Yeah, I see the handle. I'm coming for you!
Is it still on?
Yeah.
Hi. Okay, so I'm adding all the ingredients to a pot.
That's all she has to do.
Uno.
Oh.
You okay?
I'm being attacked. Excuse me, I'm just gonna plug this in right here.
Does anyone know what soup noodles are?
What are soup noodles?
I'm just surprised you put them in right away before it's even been boiled.
Oh,
Interesting.
they could
right?
get really soft.
Yes, I'm so interested. I don't know if they're particularly designed. They're probably designed for that soup noodles, but we couldn't find soup noodles.
Yeah, what's
I
that?
don't really know what that means.
All that effort just for this. This is all I needed.
Also, for those wondering, in place of soup noodles, we're using, what did you buy? Linguine, and then just breaking it into little pieces.
Yeah,
I think that's a good compromise.
it's fine.
Yeah, no, Italians look away.
Okay. It looks like you got a lot of flavor going on.
I hope so.
It's all coming together there.
Now you gotta turn this on. Mix it and turn it. Oh wait,
Wasn't
let me
even
move
on
this
the
pan.
whole time.
Well, you're not supposed to. You gotta add all the ingredients, then you turn it on.
Oh, I'm
Yeah.
just heating some oil here. Really intense stuff.
I mean, heating oil is pretty intense sometimes.
You're right, you're right. What's going on there?
And now I gotta bring this to a boil, I believe.
Oh, I'm hungry. Is this gonna be ready in 5 minutes?
No, not quite 5.
Dang
but...
it. Okay. It's so tomatoey for a chicken noodle soup. Although it's like a combination of chicken noodle soup and tomato soup, which I think I might be into.
Me too.
Yeah.
I'm excited.
Terrible onions that tortured me.
They look great.
Oh, thanks. There we go. Okay, now I feel like I'm doing something.
I don't know if this is a dry white wine, but
It's okay.
because he said dry.
It's okay.
I don't know anything about wine other than I like the way.
Catherine's being really nice and helping me while I just watch these onions. Teamwork.
Accent of wine.
Okay, we got it done together. Everything's in here now.
One more thing.
Oh,
Black
no,
pepper.
not everything is in here now. Nice. Now I think we got to simmer for like 15 minutes or something.
Lower the heat and simmer for 15 minutes, stirring from time to time.
Okay.
You gotta make pasta now.
Yeah. Yours looks good. Yummy.
Mm-hmm.
We're having some tomato heavy dishes here. That's okay. I like that this one has some red pepper in it though.
Yeah, I'm so curious about it. And I'm not a huge bean person when it comes to like meat substitute like bean in place of a meat. So, but I'm curious to try the lentil bolognese.
Me too.
I feel like it would be good. Yeah, I think that's almost done. Give another minute or so.
The noodles are cooked.
They look like it. They taste like it. Maybe 1 or so minutes.
So does that mean it's basically done?
Pretty much, yeah.
Wow. Mine's sitting, boiling the water for the pasta now. And we're getting prepped for the cookies, because look at us go. Unstoppable.
Teamwork! Do you measure your extracts?
I think I still do, yeah, but you're...
I'm team never measure extracts.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Oh no.
We're gonna beat coconut oil, sugars, and vanilla extract together.
Okay, pasta has been added. Mix.
Nipples.
Soup's done.
Pasta?
Yeah.
Soup.
Okay.
Soup, pasta.
Yeah, that makes more sense. And the cookie batter is in the fridge?
Yeah. It's in the fridge. It has to set for 30 minutes.
So we can eat and then make cookies.
Yeah.
Bake the cookies. They're already made.
Yeah.
They got made so fast.
And put our video live. This looks so good. I think it looks great. The sauce to pasta ratio is a little off.
I did a lot
But
of
that's
pasta.
fine.
But that's my bad.
That's fine.
That is my bad.
I mean, you did such a good job on the pasta.
I don't know. We haven't tasted it yet. Do you see that? It's a wasp.
Oh my god, get it out of the house.
Here, come into the ladle. I know you want out. That's not the way out.
We
It's
have
over
the way
here.
out.
The
We can
exit is
guide
to your
you.
left.
Devin, how do you feel about the video?
Why is it happening? Oh, let's just get ready to eat. Okay, the wasp has been escorted out. Let me just rinse the ladle. You want me to?
Soup?
You want
Yeah,
me to
ladle
do
some
this?
soup.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
Oh, that looks great.
Oh yeah. Probably spilled again.
Serving up the bolognese. We used penne because I didn't want to buy a whole new pasta shape.
It's fine. It's actually really fine. See? Fine.
That's great.
Yay. What do we try first?
Soup?
Okay, it seems really hot.
Okay, pasta?
Mmm.
It's nice. I would like. It tastes very different than bolognese's I'm used to, but it's really good pasta still.
I like it.
I love it.
I think I'm really glad that it's not all tomato. Because sometimes that's what I don't like about a tomatoey sauce is that it's just too much tomato.
But
You know?
isn't tomato soup one of your favorite? No, you don't like tomato soup.
No, I do. It's
Oh.
very confusing. It makes no sense.
This is great. Yeah, I think this is our bad. The ratio's a little off on sauce to pasta.
Whoops. But actually, I'm not mad about this ratio.
No, but it's really good.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I want to put some like Parmesan on it. Is that normal? Or like nooch?
Highly recommend. Very comforting. I'm very excited for this soup. It looks like chicken noodle.
Yeah, it's darker.
I really like this. Oh, this is nice.
Oh man, I don't even know what that flavor is that I'm loving so much. Yep.
I love this. This is great.
Mm-hmm.
There's miso in it. Maybe it's the miso. Umami-ness.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, this is lovely.
Wow.
Yeah, would make again. Both of them. Highly recommend.
Ooh, this is like such a perfect comforting soup if you're not feeling well or if it's really, really cold out.
Actually, that's what he mentioned in the book. The little copy parts at the beginning. Which, if you guys don't read that, highly recommend you read them in every cookbook. Because then you kind of get the inspiration, where it's from, where they ate it first, all that, you know, it makes you appreciate the food more when you learn the backstory. So, he mentioned that this type of soup, the soup that inspired this soup was the soup his mom would make when he was sick.
This passes my test. I'm not a soup lover.
And everything is cooked so well. Like, I was so unsure because he just adds everything to a pot and brings it to a boil afterwards. But it's all cooked really well. Yeah, this is great. One of the best soups I've had lately.
And again, don't know what a soup noodle was supposed to be, but the linguine works
perfectly. Really well.
Wow.
Yeah, just break it up. It's like you got texture still from the noodle. It's not too small. Highly recommend. Make this. Really good.
All right.
2 for 3 so far. I'm so curious about the cookies, but like these I would both make
Seriously.
again, and they were both really easy to make.
Yeah, you saw how little we struggled, right?
Like these are ideal weeknight recipes.
Okay, we will check back in when we are
Cookie time.
working on the cookies more, but we're just gonna stand here and eat, really.
Yeah, I'm gonna eat more of this soup. I really like the soup.
Oh yeah, good soup.
Good soup.
Good soup.
Is the ball right?
Lovely.
Ball. It's been sitting for over 30 minutes.
Yeah, that's true. We took a bit of a break.
Yeah. We needed to watch a video.
Yeah. Delightful. Delightful. Oh yeah, good soup. Nice. I bet you could do more.
More what?
Balls.
Like on a pan?
Yeah.
You think so?
I don't know. Think they're gonna spread a lot?
I don't know. There is a lot of like, it is a wet mixture, but I honestly have no idea. Because they look big in his book.
That's true. But he didn't seem concerned about it.
Oh, he didn't say space them out?
He said, leaving a bit of space between each.
That's not helpful.
What does that mean?
I need specifics.
I need measurements.
I need 1 to 2 inches. Tell me.
I
Which
don't know.
one?
What if they touch?
We'll do one in the middle.
Oh, we're doing it.
We're doing it.
We're gonna see what happens.
Because I also don't know if I'm making the balls as small as he did. He said little balls. I don't think these quantify as little balls.
Those look like golf balls.
Yeah. Ready for cookies?
I'm so ready.
Yeah. They look fine, I think.
I hope the cookies are ready for us.
I'm wondering if they're like, they look wetter. They are wetter dough, but I'm thinking the coconut oil might make them look shinier.
Okay.
So, we're gonna take them out. The oven's telling me to. They just look like cookie macarons.
they do.
Should I like give them a scoot or leave them au naturel? I'm very excited for the edges. They look crispy.
Crispy.
I'm actually really excited about these cookies. I love a like shredded coconut with some kind of like condensed milk or a coconut milk. So good.
Oh, it's so soft.
So soft.
Okay, well, we got impatient.
Yeah, I just really want to try them. They look really good.
Ooh, oh.
Mm-hmm. You're
Delicious.
so soft.
Do you think they're underbaked?
I don't think so.
So they'll get like
Yeah.
crispier or like.
I mean, he never said they're supposed to be crispy.
No, this is exceptionally soft for a cookie.
I don't know. I find it's a pretty normal cookie. Remember, there's milk in this, so it's gonna be a softer cookie regardless.
Yeah, that's true. I've just never had a cookie this soft.
It's so good.
Oh, it's delicious. I don't really like coconut that much, but this is good.
It's so light and airy.
Mm-hmm.
I like this a lot.
Yeah. I would make these again.
Absolutely. I think I'd make them a little smaller.
Maybe that would help.
Maybe.
This is like the perfect ending.
There was no miss in this video.
No.
Everything was amazing.
Mm-hmm. I don't think I've ever liked a soup so much.
Wow.
Like in
wow. Wow.
probably specifically. Whoops.
So offended.
Like in a cookbook review, when we're trying so many other things, I don't
The
think
soup
I would.
was your favorite?
I wouldn't usually pick the soup.
The soup was incredible.
Yeah.
So good. Okay, so I'm gonna be honest. I got this book and I was like, cool, yeah, it's fine. I wasn't gonna really do anything with it, and then I saw Offie of the Canadian
Canadian African.
the Canadian African on Instagram say that she's been really enjoying some of the recipes in it, and I was like, okay, maybe I should give it a try. Amazing. I'm so glad I gave it a try. Absolutely highly recommend this cookbook based on the 3 recipes we made. Every single one I'd make again.
Yep.
100%. They were so good, and they were all really easy to make.
You saw how easy?
Highly recommend every single one.
I agree. Okay, well, I mean, I think more people should go buy this book. If you don't have this book, get this book. I wonder if anybody has his other book.
Yeah, let us know if that book is worth buying too, because I definitely, if it's as good as this one, we'll definitely look for that one. I don't actually know the exact date when this one comes out, because we got sent this one, so it might not even be out yet.
Publishing date, October 19th.
Okay, so this is out in November, so you're good. We'll leave the links below where you can get it. Also, we'll leave his socials down below. We weren't following him before this. I knew of him, but I was never following his content. Follow. The recipes are great.
Yeah.
So good. And I think for Canadians, I think he's a fellow Canadian. So go follow.
Support.
Yeah.
Okay. And hope you enjoyed another cookbook review, because we do too.
Yeah.
Make sure you're subscribed. Comment your cookbook thoughts. You know how we do.
Yeah.
Give it a thumbs up for good soup.
Good soup.
Good soup.
Good soup.
Good soup.
Soup. Also, keep an eye out for a future video. We're gonna round up some of our favorite cookbooks for you, since it's the holiday season. It's the season of gifting. And in case you're looking for a gift for yourself, a gift for another person, whatever it is, we're gonna round up, since we've done so many cookbook reviews, and just in our normal day-to-day lives we have so many cookbooks, we're gonna round up some of our favorites. So stay tuned for that in a couple weeks.
Ooh, I'm gonna have to like pick a top 5 or something.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Maybe we'll each pick a top 5.
Okay.
That's what we'll do. Okay, but wait for that video, because it's gonna be a good one, I think. I'm excited for it. I'm excited to actually be able to sit down and like go over all of the cookbooks we've cooked from, because we've done a lot. And really like hammer out and be like, these are the ones you need, and these are the nice to haves.
Oh, the truth revealed.
Yeah.
Months later after we reviewed them. Because it takes time.
It does take time. And you need to try a bunch.